The Transforming Coastal Monitoring Research Program was a 3-year MB project, and the aim of the project was to develop eDNA-based monitoring tools for estuary health assessment. eDNA is environmental DNA. Every living organism leaves trace amounts of DNA in the environment, and we use this to discover what's living in our estuaries. Environmental management in estuaries faces 2 key challenges. First is detecting change at an early stage, and the second is understanding what's causing those changes. And then we also know that monitoring is constrained by cost, and so eDNA offers a potentially more cost-effective way of monitoring our estuaries. We think that eDNA has a lot of potential to help solve these problems. So eDNA allows us to look at these smaller organisms in the environment, and these smaller organisms that you can't see really underpin ecosystem functioning, and they're very responsive to environmental change, and there's thousands of different species, each with different environmental preferences. So there's huge scope to develop sensitive indicators that can detect change at an early stage and pinpoint what is causing the issue in your estuary. Our key collaborators on this project are Sequench, Auckland Council, the University of Auckland and the University of Waikato. And then we're working with whānau from Kaupari Solutions in Otawhiwhi Marae in Tauranga Moana. This project is unique because we've got the most comprehensive data set of eDNA estuary data in the country, and so it's a really rich data set from which to explore lots of different questions. The vision for the project was to provide an evidence base for how eDNA could be integrated into estuary monitoring. So the results have shown us that eDNA is very promising as an estuary monitoring tool. It can detect some of our key stressors, things like sedimentation issues and metal contamination. It's at least as sensitive as some of our conventional measures for monitoring estuary health. It tends to cost less than some of our traditional ways, and it can tell us things that are of interest to Māori as well. In the future, we can see that we might be able to scale back some of our more expensive and complex monitoring procedures and use eDNA as an early warning screening tool.